Welcome back to Learn English with Said. To improve English speaking practice, listen and repeat after me. Do. Can. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. Can you make coffee? Yes, I can. Do you like swimming? Yes, I do. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Do you play the guitar? Yes, I do. Can you dance? Yes, I can. Do you like driving? Yes, I do. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can. Do you read books? Yes, I do. Can you write a poem? Yes, I can. Do you like cooking? Yes, I do. Can you cook meatballs for dinner? Yes, I can. Do you watch movies? Yes, I do. Can you turn on the TV? Yes, I can. Do you like racing? Yes, I do. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. Do you enjoy traveling? Yes, I do. Can you show me the way? Yes, I can. Do you speak Arabic? Yes, I do. Can you teach me Arabic? Yes, I can. Do you like music? Yes, I do. Can you sing? Yes, I can. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I do. Can you run 100 miles? Yes, I can. Do you like games? Yes, I do. Can you play chess? Yes, I can. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Can you make an omelette? Yes, I can. Do you study English? Yes, I do. Can you draw? Yes, I can. Do you play soccer? Yes, I do. Can you kick the ball? Yes, I can. Do you enjoy hiking? Yes, I do. Can you climb a mountain? Yes, I can. Do you like white dress? Yes, I do. Can you sew? Yes, I can. Do you like instruments? Yes, I do. Can you play the piano? Yes, I can. Do you like writing? Yes, I do. Can you read? Yes, I can. Do you write stories? Yes, I do. Can you tell me a story? Yes, I can.